Hello, good morning everyone. In this video, you're gonna learn about how to factor using the greatest common factor. Now, what is the greatest common factor or GCF? Okay, let us have a review. What is the GCF of 25a squared and 15a? So the first thing that we have to consider are the numerical coefficient of these given terms. So meron tayo diyang 25, meron tayong 15. Ano ang isang number na makaka-divide sa 25 at 15? So that is 5. And diyan naman sa a square at a, ang variable na makaka-divide diyan is a. So our GCF or the GCF of 25a square and 15a is equal to 5a. So yan. Yan ang term na makaka-divide sa 25a square at 15a. Okay, now let us have another example here. What is the GCF of 9x squared and 3x cubed? So, unahin uli natin yung numerical coefficient. Anong number ang makaka-divide sa number 9 at number 3? 9 and 3 can be divided by 3. Okay, pwede nating i-divide by 3 yan. So, ang numerical coefficient natin is 3. Tapos dito naman sa x squared at x cubed, ang least variable na makaka-divide dyan ay x squared. Okay? Yung x squared pwedeng i-divide ng x squared. Yung x cubed pwede pa rin i-divide ng x squared. So, titignan natin. So, our GCF is 3x squared. Okay? Now, ready na tayo para malaman na natin yung GCF. Okay? Now, let us factor 25a squared plus 15a. Okay. Paano natin ipapactor yan? Again, kukunin muna natin yung GCF ng 25 at 15 which is 5. At ano ang GCF ng a squared at a? So, ang GCF natin or greatest common factor is 5a. So, sa 5a, pag nahanap na natin, ayan, 5a ang ating GCF. I-divide natin yon dun sa 25a squared at 15a squared, 15a. So, kung makikita ninyo, 25a squared plus 15a is equal to 5a. Tapos, open and close parentheses. Open parentheses, we have 25a squared divided by this one, the GCF 5a. So, we have 5a. Ayan. How about sa baba, we have 15a divided by 5a. So, we can cancel a at a. So, magiging 15 divided by 5, we have 3. So, the factor of 25a squared plus 15a is equal to 5a times the quantity 5a plus 3. So, that is our answer. So, nakita ninyo, parang ang factoring pala is multiplying or opposite. Para bang pag minultiply mo yung common factor nila na 5a, lalabas din ito. 5a times 5a is equal to 25a squared. Then 5a times 3 is equal to 15a. So that is our answer. Let us have another example. Factor 18x squared minus 12x cubed. Again, titignan natin kung anong number ba ang pwedeng mag-divide sa 18 at 12. So, kung titignan natin, pwedeng mag-divide by 3. Yan, 3. Pwede rin natin i-divide yan by 6. Kasi, ang kinoconsider natin yung mas malaki. So, 6. At tapos, x squared. Kasi yung 18, pwedeng divide by 6, which is 3. At yung 12, pwede mong i-divide by 6. Okay? At yung x square, pwede mong i-divide by x square. Yung x cube, pwede mo rin i-divide by x cube. Okay, now divide the term by the GCF. Okay, ito yung given natin, which is 18x squared minus 12x cubed equals yung GCF nila 6x squared. I-divide mo yung 6x squared dyan sa 18x squared. Maka-cancel yung x squared, tapos 18 divided by 6, that is 3. Okay? Now, 12x squared divide by, or 12x cubed divide by 6x squared. So, ang matitira ay 2x. So, that's our answer. So, you can check our answer by distribution. Okay, number 3. We have 28 a squared b plus 25 or plus 56 abc squared. Okay? 28 a squared b plus 56 abc squared. Okay, ang GCF nila is 28 ab. Yan ang number at variable na makaka-divide sa parehong terms na ito, dalawang terms na ito. Okay? So, ilalabas natin yan. Divide each term by the GCF. Okay, we have, susulat muli yung given, 28a squared b plus 56abc squared equals 28ab. So, we have 28ab or 28a squared b divided by 28ab. Yun ang ilalagay mo dito. So, the answer is A. Ngayon, 56abc squared divided by 28ab, the answer is 2c squared. So, that is our answer. Yan. Yan ang answer natin. You can check your answer by distributing yung 28ab. Okay? So, ngayon, bibigyan ko kayo ng sasagutan ninyo. Ano ang factor ng 20x squared minus 24xy? Try to use the factoring na ginamit natin kanina. Ano ang factor ng 20 at 24? At ano ang factor ng x squared at xy? So, I will give you time to answer. Okay, the correct answer is, yan, 4x times the quantity 5x minus 6y. Dahil pag dinistribute mo yan, 4x times 5x, that is 20x squared, 4x times negative 6y, we have negative 24xy. Okay, so for our last example, we have factor 28a squared plus 21b minus 35b squared c squared. So, meron na tayong 3 terms, trinomial na ito. Ha? Ano ang number na makaka-divide sa 28, 21, at 35? So, the answer is 7. Diba? How about sa a squared, b, tapos b squared, c squared? So, kung mapapansin ninyo, wala silang common terms. So, ang greatest common factor natin is just a number, 7. So, divide each term by the GCF. Okay, ito yung ating terms, given terms, 28a squared plus 21b minus 35b squared c squared. So, that is equal to 7, nilabas mo yung 7, times the quantity 28a squared divided by 7, yun ang sagot dito, which is 4a squared. Next, etong 21b divided by 7, we have 3b. Tapos yung last term, 35b squared c squared divided by 7, the answer is 5b squared c squared. So that is our answer. You can check the answer by distributing. So that is our answer. So that is our lesson about factoring, the greatest common factor. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you want more videos like this, don't forget to click the subscribe button at your notification bell below this video so that you will be updated with our future uploads in this channel. So that's all for now. As always, have a nice day, everyone.